Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Suniti Garg.
And where do you stay?
I live at Malad.
Okay. How old is your child?
He's 4.5.
Okay. So, what exactly were you looking out for him?
Actually, the first time this is the second time I've brought Atiksh to Mindgroups. The first time we came here in April. That was the time when actually Mindgroups had just started. And back in April we were looking for a good summer camp for Atiksh, where he would just come and spend a few hours and basically to just utilize his time. And we were looking out. We didn't have anything specific in mind, but we were just checking out the options. And what actually Mindgroup was offering was storytelling and concepts, which Atiksh is very interested in. He loves storytelling. So we came here, and what actually just made us fall in love with Mindgroups is that the place is very warm, and it's a happy place for kids. Where like, and Kritika and Aparna, they really handle kids on a very one-on-one basis.
Okay.
They pay a lot of attention, and they actually enjoy your kid. Which is a very rare quality. They actually take a lot of delight and they enjoy the kid, and they really focus on his strengths, and that really gives a lot of boost to the child.
Okay.
I mean, Atiksh has seen such a boost in his self-esteem and confidence after coming here. It's a superlative amount of self-confidence that he has developed after coming here.
Okay.
And he really looks forward to it. Literally he would jump through hoops to come here. He enjoys it that much.
Okay. Yeah. So apart from Mindgroups, did you consider any other options?
Actually, no, because we had shortlisted a lot of places, but Mindgroup was the first place that we actually visited. And after coming here, we tried out we tried one class when we came here. We left Atiksh for one class, and his feedback was just superb. So we thought that why look further, let's keep him here. So that's it.
Okay. So with your experience, could you tell us 2 good things about Mindgroups?
One, the personal attention is amazing. And secondly, they really know how to keep things interesting and how to, deliver concepts in a way that children would retain it and they would relate to it forever, So, I think these are the 2 biggest plus points about Mindgroups.
Okay. And do you think anything could be better with Mindgroups?
Maybe the space could be a little bigger, but I think that's a very small thing, especially in Bombay, you can't even expect it. So it's nothing. I don't think it could change anything.
Okay, so how likely are you to recommend Mindgroups to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5? 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
I've already been recommending it to other parents.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 5, what would you say?
5.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.